Nepal has imported over 1,48,000 electric stoves in just last 8 months. And out of these, 1,13,000 were inductions only. But how does an induction stove actually works? No flame or heating element. The surface is completely cold, but this pan is boiling water in under 2 minutes. With gas or electric, it makes sense. The burner gets hot, the pan sits on it, and through conduction and convection, that heat travels up into your food. But with induction, that transfer step doesn't happen. See, inside induction there is just a coil of wire. When you turn it on, electricity runs through that coil. And as we know, electricity and magnetism are basically two sides of the same coin. We can use one to get other. So electricity running through that coil creates a magnetic field right above the glass. But that electricity is constantly switching directions, thousands of times a second, which means the magnetic field is constantly flipping too. Now put a magnetic pan on top like cast iron or stainless steel. That flipping field hits the metal and generates electrical currents inside the pan itself. And as those currents force the molecules in the metal to move, now all that movement creates friction, and that friction creates heat. That's why you can press your hand on the glass and feel nothing, because the stove isn't producing heat, the pan is. And the moment you lift the pan off, it stops. That's why it's faster, safer, and more efficient than gas.